Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to place these rhinestone crystals onto metal blanks by stamping them. This is a great video if you're just getting into stamping for beginners. Of course, before you begin, you'll need your metal blank. This is a 20mm blank that I'll be using. Any metal blank that you have works. And of course, your rhinestones. The rhinestones that I use come in 3 different sizes. It's a pack, and I'll link everything on the description box below. If I can't link it, I'll just write the name and where I get it. And of course, these are the stamps. They come in a pack of 3 with all of the 3 different sizes. Impress Art is the brand that I use for all of my stamping, and for today's video I'll be using the 4mm size stamp. Next thing that I use is this jewelry glue. This is my favorite brand to use for gluing down the rhinestones. And also, of course, your hammer. This is the Impress Art hammer that I use. These are all the tools that you will need, so now we could get started. First thing I always like to do is tape down the blank, so while I'm stamping, the blank won't move around. And remember, always when you stamp, the wording or the lettering of the stamp needs to be facing you. So let's get started. I'm just going to place it in the center or wherever I want the rhinestone to be. And while I'm stamping or hammering, I'm going to be moving the stamp around, so making sure I get all of the whole circle onto my blank. Now when you're done stamping, you should be left with the outline or a circle of where the rhinestone is going to be placed. Now I'll be putting just a little bit of glue onto the circle of the center of the circle. I don't want to use too much because then it'll come out. Once you press down the rhinestone, it'll overflow or come out of the rhinestone, and it'll just be a mess. So just a little bit, just enough for the rhinestone to stick to it. Now these pliers I use to grab the rhinestone so that the rhinestone won't stick to my finger, or I make a big mess with my fingers if I grab the rhinestone. So it allows me to place the rhinestone onto the spot that I want it without making a big mess or it sticking to me. Now that the rhinestone is glued down, I like to get a wipe and clean around the rhinestone just to clean out any extra glue that came out of the rhinestone when I pressed it down, just so that it looks nice and clean. And that's basically it, a very straightforward beginner video on how to stamp rhinestones onto metal blanks. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye!